We're just going to roll a little bit of primer on here. This is just a regular automotive primer. I ain't got nothing. I don't want to spray it out here. The wind's blowing pretty hard, and I got my stuff right here beside me. I had to tape it all up. So I'm just going to take a little paint roller. And I just want to roll just a little bit of primer on this part that's going to be covered up once I put that little hood adapter piece up here. I won't be able to get back to it to put nothing on it, and a good chance that the way I seal it off, won't nothing ever get to it as far as water, but there's always that possibility it could, and it could start running out somewhere, rust trail somewhere. So you got bare metal, if you can, it's always good to put something over it. So I put the primer on there. It ain't quite dry up under there. It's kind of wanting to mess with the weld a little bit. But it ain't holding up the weld. All we're doing is putting a little warm. We'll let it cool off a little bit. We'll come back and weld on it just a little more. We'll hit that side here a couple times over here since it's cool. All right, that should hold that. I'll fit this hole up right here. All right, that should hold it. We'll come back and hit that a little more, and then we'll grind it all down where we want it. We'll call it good.